it's Ray. Today I would like to share with you about how to edit video presentation using Capcut. So from the MCO, I saw a load of presentation video assignments produced by students through the YouTube. Various ways and methods of video presentation have been used by students to complete the assignment. And the result of my observation found that many students are used to Capcut. What is Capcut? Capcut is a free video editing application that is available on both operating systems like Android and iOS. Its useful features that help you to guide you to edit the video on your smartphone to share on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and others. Get ready with Capcut? Let's start!
First of all, you need to prepare material that you want to edit. Open the Capcut application, click New Project. After opening the application, press the New Project icon to bring up a new screen that displays your camera roll video. Next, select the photo material as your background. So I'm going to choose this picture as my video background. So to start my video, select the overlay. Determine when you want to add your new layer to begin and pause the video at that point. Click Overlay on the bottom toolbar. Click the overlay button, choose another video from your library, go to bottom right corner of your screen and click the add button. So by remove the background, it will remove automatically and I just adjust and design how to pointing the center of my video to my background. So next one, add text to a label. So filter text and stickers icon may be found in your Capcut tools. Select the text box. A text box will be shown into the text or material you want to include in your video. To personalize, select a font style, size and color, then to finalize the text of your video, click Add. So I just type what is cybersecurity as my title, and then I add the animation of the construction and adjust the length of the time for my text. Next one is adding your video. Split and delete some part of the video. Insert your chosen video into the Capcut timeline. To divide a video into two parts, move the playhead to the point where you wish to split your video. So just now I just adding the transition by using the add transition that apply and provided by the Capcut application. So by adding an add element, I will use this to add narration. By this, you need to select your audio and going to record. So hold the mic to start record. Cybersecurity is the best practice of protecting critical system and sensitive information from digital attacks. Next, heading to the text and select auto caption and select voiceover. So it will create and generate auto caption based on your voice, and it will be shown like this. Maybe one of your video in your text is not specific like where you texting, so you will edit this by manually. Next, to save your work, you need to publish your video. Click the upward arrow in the upper right corner of the screen. You need to adjust your resolution and the frame rate. So after you're done, click this arrow and your video will exporting. So your video is ready to share.
Hey everyone, my name is Raynold and I'm from DDD2 Section 1, and my message number is 05DD20411141, and in this video I will explain you and present you about the case study question. So let's
The world of technology is records, and personal and business details are all at stake.
Cybersecurity is the best practice of protecting critical system and sensitive information from digital attacks.
It's cool, right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will enjoy it. Take care. Bye.